Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today, I gonna visit Chanel boutique in Beverly Hills. Finally, I could see many 22K collection like this pullover. It's beautiful. Love this light khaki color lambskin pants. This cardigan is so pretty. There's a vest and pullover as well. I could see new colors from 22K. Lots of pink and beige. Love this mixed pink and burgundy color. Love this pink tweed set. This vanity with chain look very practical, but I don't like the zipper at the bottom. Love the small size beige color Deauville tote. This pink knit skirt is so cute. Love the pastel tone green and pink. Oh my gosh, love these tweed pants in green. I like the combination of burgundy and pink. This lambskin leather jacket is perfect for the fall season. You can see lots of green and pink. Love this green corduroy 19 bag. This green houndstooth pattern coat is so pretty. How about this tweed skirt? Love the pink and brown color together. I'm gonna try these shorts later, but it's kind of too short. Love this green color cocoa handle. Check the price. It would be great to have tweed jacket in pink or black. Love the white flower pattern on navy color. I love this light blue color short jacket. Oh my gosh, the pearl on the button perfectly matches well with the sky blue color. This pre-fall season hobo bag, there were more colors available. You can match denim jean with this jacket. It's gonna be casual, perfect daily look. I think this season bag started from 22A collection, but the color is new 22K pink color. Love the chain strap of this vanity with chain. Now let me try on ready to wear from 22K. Love this polo, especially the flower pattern is so pretty on navy color. You can wear skirt together as a set. Oh my gosh, it's very delicate flower shape. Love the color of this cardigan. It's from 22B. You can wear like denim jean together. Love this shiny black button. Love the pattern of these shorts and the color combination. These shorts are so short, so I would say you cannot wear by itself. You need to wear like inside a dress. The polo size 36 perfectly fit well, but the skirt there was only 40 available, but it was too big. I usually wear 38, but I would wear like 36. It was snug fit. There's a jacket as a set with these shorts, but it was so expensive. Love this bling bling Chanel logo on the waist. Shiny black button goes well with the black stripe pattern. So I matched this polo with this short. Color matches well, but the style-wise, these shorts are too short. Chanel show the models were wearing like long jacket, but yeah, I'm not sure. You can wear by itself. Love the baby blue color espadrille. Ballerinas are so cute. Love these new season sling bags. I would pick white color. They're same style pumps. Now let's check bags. There were whole new style bags, but before that, love this brooch from new season. There are 3 different color tweed brooch. There were so many tweed bags like this hobo bag. So pretty. It's like 3,900. Pretty good price. The size was perfect for me. I love it. What do you think? And this seasonal bag, I love it. There will be caviar in black color soon, but this pink color is so cute as well. It's in caviar, and there is caviar pattern and tweed, or different material. I think I've seen khaki color as well from the homepage. I would get caviar leather anyway. I try to put my iPhone Max. It fits vertically. You know, the boy messenger bag is new trend now. What do you think? There's a mini size, small size, and medium size as well. There's a velvet and grain calfskin. Love the mini size in velvet. The size was so small but so cute. There's a round shaped vanity bag with chain. So cute. So new season color, you can see many dark beige and khaki and pink. I love this beige color, kind of toned down dark beige. This Maxi Hovo is very casual daily bag. I'm not a big fan of the pocket for vanity bag, but because it's khaki color, it's like military vibe. This shopping bag looks very classic, especially beige color. The 19 bag in khaki color is so chic, and love this hot pink color mini flat bag. There are many hot pink color this season. And I love these rubber boots. I have black, but I want to have another color as well. On Labor Day, I went to Bank of California Stadium in downtown LA. Never drive there. You better take metro. There will be not enough parking space. Also, it's kind of fun to take metro. There is a policy to bring clear bag. I think to avoid the bomb threat, something like that. This is just 5-year-old stadium, so it's new. There were so many options for the food and drinks. I got some taco and nacho. There were like sports goods, like t-shirts you can buy. This nacho was so good. Taco was pretty good as well. It's time to drink. It was game between Angel City and Mexico. Angel City players. First national anthem for Mexico team. Then national anthem for Angel City. I was so excited since it's my first time. I could see former player Abby Wambach. At the end, Mexico team won. My friend recommended this app, Too Good To Go. There might be another app, something like this, similar. But yeah, you can order mystery bag from any bakery or restaurant. I ordered from Blue Bottle. You pay like $5-6 and you can get all this bread. Good deal. I tried another bakery. This is Tartine. They have really good sourdough bread. Try some. I got this mystery bag. Voila! Love their selection. Even though it's leftover, it's fresh new bread. Hope you enjoyed my video today. See you soon.